everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roos. I am a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and around the world, and today I'm in gorgeous sunny Portugal. I wanted to film this video for you to share with you the Dru Yoga sun sequence, because it's a little bit different than a regular sun sequence that we do in Vinyasa or Hatha, and I thought it would be a fun thing to do today. This Dru Sun Salutation adds in a few little pieces so that when you do it in the morning, it can be the one thing you do and it will move every movement that your body can make. So we add in some twists, we lift the legs, and we do a few movements as well to get the heart rate up so you feel warm and toasty during the day. I thought it was perfect because I'm on such a sunny cliff right now in the south of Portugal, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Come to Tadasana, feet hips distance, engage your core, bring your hands in front of your heart. Feel your spine being super long, reaching through the crown up to the sky or the ceiling. We'll start with a few deep breaths here, just feeling your feet into the mat, into the ground, connecting. Now open your eyes. At the start of the sequence, there is a movement of the hands that goes like this. Bring the palms down first, turning, and then opening all the way up. So let's do that again. Bring the fingers outwards, then open the palms towards your belly, turn, and bring them all the way down. If this doesn't work for you, don't worry about it. Just bring the hands down in a simple way. And then let's start at the front of the mat in Tadasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring the arms down. Inhale, reach up. Maybe even folding backwards a little bit. Remember to keep the core engaged. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Keep your left hand on the ground, open your right arm, and wave your fingers at the sky or at the ceiling. Exhale, bring it back down, and switch sides. Open the left arm, wave, and bring it back down. Step your right foot back, bring the knee to the mat. Inhale, reach the arms up. We'll do 3 big circles here. So exhale, fold over, bring the arms all the way up and back. Inhale, reach back up. 2 more. As you can maybe see, I lifted my back knee because the rocks hurt my knee. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, you can do that as well. If you feel more comfortable with the knee down, definitely do that. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, bring the hands next to your front foot and step the left foot back to downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here. Make your spine nice and long. Keep strong in the shoulders and the arms. Shift forward, bring your knees to the ground. Bring your chest to the ground, and then engage your core. Curl your spine into your first cobra, lifting up through the chest. Exhale, back down. We'll do 2 more here. Inhale, reach up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bring the head back down. Last one. Inhale up, maybe even finding more height in your cobra. And then bring the hips back and up, downward facing dog. Bring your left leg all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, bring it back down. Switching sides. Inhale, bring the leg up. And then exhale, step it forward. Bring the left knee down. Or if you're like me, outside, definitely keep it up. We'll do 3 circles. Exhale, all the way, folding over. Inhale, reaching back up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, all the way back up. 1 more. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come back up. And then bring your hands next to your front foot, step the left foot forward. Inhale, open your right arm, wave at the sky. Exhale, bring it back down. left side. Inhale, open. Exhale, bring it back down. Bend your knees, slowly uncurl your spine, reach the arms up, lengthen. Exhale, bring the hands back to your heart. Beautiful. So that was one full Dru Yoga Sun sequence. We'll do that one more time on the other side. Inhale first. Exhale, bring the arms down. Inhale, reach up and maybe leaning back a little bit. Remember your core. Exhale, fold all the way over. Open the left arm, wave at the sky. Exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, right. Exhale, bring it down. This time the left foot steps back, bring the knee down onto the mat. Inhale, reach up, 3 circles. Exhale, round, fold all the way over. Inhale, back up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach back up. Last one. Exhale, folding over. Inhale, reaching back up. Bring your hands next to your front foot. Step the right foot back as well. Downward facing dog. Bring your knees down. Find your knee, chest, chin. On the next inhale, find your cobra. Shoulders pulling back. Heart reaching forward. Exhale to downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up. Inhale. Bring it back to the same spot. Exhale. Left leg rises, inhale. Exhale, step it forward. Bring the right knee down onto the mat. Inhale, reach up. Our 3 circles. Exhale, fold over. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, back up. Last one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hands next to your front foot. Step the back foot forward. Open your left side. Inhale, wave at the sky. Exhale, back down. Switch. Inhale, right. Exhale, back down. Bend your knees, slowly uncurl. Reach the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to your heart. Take a few breaths here, eyes closed. Feel the warmth in your body and the contact your feet make with the mat or with the ground. To close off this sequence, we're gonna do 3 circles. So extend your arms out to the sides, have your right palm facing up and your left palm facing down. And then start turning to the right. Eyes stay closed, just on the spot where you are. Slowly move in 3 circles. I imagine this being like a screw. We've done all the energy of the sun, which activates us, and now we're screwing ourselves back down into the ground, into the earth, to stay connected, to stay grounded. Take your time to finish your 3 turns. When you finish, bring the arms down. Come back to Tadasana, mountain pose. Bring your hands in front of your heart. Bow your head to your hands. And then slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Well done. Thank you so much for watching this video and practicing with me. I hope you really enjoyed the sun salutations, the Dru variation. Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more content about yoga, different styles, and also behind the scenes on all my adventures around the world. Thanks, guys. Take care.